Happy morning, children. Valga valamudan. Yes, I hope you all are fine. I hope that yesterday you enjoyed your Sunday without any sessions. Okay? Yes, children, today chapter 2 in geography. Okay, already last week we completed the chapter 1 in history. Soon you have a test in it. Okay, after 2 days you will have a test in that one. So today the geography 2 chapter, how many of you know the chapter name? How many of you read it already? Yes dears, that you already know our earth is in the geoid shape. Okay, so how many of you have you wondered ever, how many of you think about what is inside of our earth? Have you ever wondered how it is made up of? With what it is made up of? Have you think that how much deep inside of our earth? Our surface, the earth's surface is made up of what? Did you think? Anybody in this way? Yes, children, that is very interesting. Geo means earth, that is very interesting. We're going to see about our earth, what is inside of our earth. Okay, children, listen. Yes, the interior structure of the earth is layered in spherical shells like an onion. Yes, why they give an example? The shape of the earth we take an orange, but inside the earth we take an onion as an example. Why means it have different layers. It is made up of concentric shells. Okay. So, after a study of various sources, that geologists came to conclusion that the earth is not made up of uniform materials. It is made up of 3 layers in the form of concentric shells. The density of the rocks increases with depth towards center. Yes, do you understand, children, that our earth is not made up of a single material or uniform material. Already we know it is not it is a irregular shape. Here they are saying it is not made up of uniform materials. It is made up of 3 concentric shells. What are that shells? Yes, here. Compositions. What are the composition? Composition means mixture. Okay. What and all including, what is inside, outside, everything is composition. Crust, mantle, core. These are the interior or inside of our earth. Yes, children? Do you understood? What are the 3 important composition of our earth? Crust, mantle and core. Okay. The crust. Another example also I given, very interesting. See, what is this? It's an egg. Okay. Listen. How? It is a semi-boiled egg. Okay. I kept it as a semi-boiled egg. How are the earth's layers similar to an egg? See that yellow color part. I hope everyone know the semi-boiled egg. That yellow color part, that is yolk, that is called core, that is deep inside of our earth, center. If you see, the core I mentioned in red color. That is in what stage it is a semi-boiled means? It is somewhat sticky and semi-solid, fluid-like. Then egg white, that egg white is called mantle, the another layer. Then last, the top of the earth surface, that is shell, that is crust. Okay, children? I hope you understood. Okay? Now imagine, or you take a egg itself. Okay? Imagine it's a semi-boiled. Okay? It's not full boiled, semi-boiled, half. That yellow color is core, inside, deep inside. Then outer, the next core, next layer is what? Mantle. This layer is mantle. And the outer shell, that is called crust. Now, what are the three main composition of our earth? Interior part of our earth. The first layer is crust. Then second, mantle. Then third, core. Okay, children? Yes. Listen. Listen. It is not humanly possible to go inside earth in mines below a depth of about 2000 meters. Temperature increases with depth in interior of the earth. The approximate rate of increase in temperature is 1 degree Celsius for every 32 meter, 40 meter. Okay, if we going inside, deep inside of our earth, every 35 to 40 meter, the heat of the earth is increasing 1 degree. Okay, that is extra additional message for you I am giving. A study of volcanic materials spewed out from the earth's interior suggests what the earth's inside like. We know what is volcanic, that volcanic eruption come out. We know how it is, the lava and magma. With that we should think, we can analyze what is inside. Where is the lava and magma is come out? From where? Okay, so it is deep from our earth. So what is the center of the earth? Okay, that is lava. Okay, children, we can go first, the first layer, that is crust. The uppermost layer of the earth is called crust. It is the thinnest of all layers. It is around 35 kilometers thick in the land mass, continental areas, and just 5 to 10 kilometers in the oceans. The main constituents of continental mass are Sial. Si forms silica and Al forms aluminium. The oceanic crust mainly constitutes of Sima. See, Si stands for silica and Ma stands for magnesium, Sima. Sial and Sima. Sial means what? That is the continental crust, and Sima means oceanic crust. What is continental and oceanic crust? Because the upper surface of the earth, that is crust part, is divided two. That is oceanic. Children, if you touch the bottom of our a river or a lake, our feet touches bottom, okay, that places, that sand, that part is called oceanic crust. I am saying here river or a lake, you imagine that oceans, okay, the lower surface of the earth is lower surface of the ocean, that is called oceanic crust, okay. That place is called oceanic crust, that is called Sial. Then the continental, normally the surface, so surrounding surface is called Sial, okay, that is silica and aluminium, that is Sial, continental crust. Continental means that land, continental, a huge mass of land is called continental. So Sial is continental crust, Sima means oceanic crust. Okay, children. The thinnest of all the layers, these are the key points for crust, you just mention as a note. It extends to 35 kilometers on continents and 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. Continental mass consists of silica and alumina, that is Sial. Silica and aluminium or alumina, okay, that is land part. What is the minerals found in that land mass? Silica and aluminium, okay. So that upper surface continental crust is called Sial, okay. Then what is oceanic crust? That is Sima, silica and magnesium, okay. Here oceanic crust consists of silica and magnesium. The crust forms 1% of the volume of the earth. this crust, okay, this crust forms 1% of the volume of the earth. Okay, children, do you understand what is crust? Crust, the two crustal layer, that is what? Oceanic crust and continental crust. Okay, that is along with the uppermost layer of the mantle are referred as lithosphere. The crust part is called lithosphere. Yes, already you know that litho means stone, rocks, that is. So, lithosphere, the crust part is also known as lithosphere. Yes, children, till crust you understood? Have you understood, children? Yes, what are the three important composition, interior parts of the earth? Crust, mantle, core. Okay, the first layer is crust. Crust is the dash layer, thinnest layer. Okay, yes. Shall we go to the next? Here I am giving, this is oceanic. Listen, children, this is continental crust, the land part. Here, the blue color is oceanic, that is ocean. From the land to ocean, that bottom of the ocean is called oceanic crust. Okay, so outer layer, the crust is the outer layer of our earth, 5 to 100 kilometer thick. The two types of crustal layer is oceanic, that is very dense, made of basalt, continental, less dense, made of granite. Okay, I hope that the two crustal layers you understood, that is oceanic crust and continental crust. Okay, the uppermost layer of the earth is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all layers. It is around 35 kilometer thick, okay, in the landmass, continental areas, and 5 to 10 kilometers in the oceans. The main constituents of continental mass are Sial, that is Sial means Si mentioned silica and Al mentioned aluminium. The oceanic crust is mainly constitutes of minerals, Sima, that is called Sima. The minerals are Sial, Sima, Si for silica and Ma for magnesium. Here, this is that the crust is the thinnest layer of all, thinnest of all the layers. It extends 35 kilometers, that is 5 to 35 kilometers of the continental crust, and the oceanic crust is 5 to 10 kilometers only. Oceanic crust is 5 to 10 kilometers. Continental mass consists of silica and alumina, that is Sial. Oceanic crust consists of silica and magnesium. The crust forms 1% of the volume of the earth. Okay, yes, the two crustal layers of the crust, that is lithosphere, is called continental crust and oceanic crust. Yes, children, shall we go to the next? What is the second layer of our earth? Here also I am giving what is this is oceanic bed, this is oceanic crust and the continental crust. Okay, the blue color is oceanic crust and this one is with the mountains, land part, desert, everything is called continental crust. Then next one is mantle. Next one is mantle. Okay, the second layer of the earth is mantle. Here the definition of mantle, this layer. Yes, children, I hope till this you can read it. We will continue in the next session. Okay, you just read yourself. This layer is about 2,900 kilometer thick. It mainly composed of ferromagnesium silicates. This can be divided into two as upper and lower mantle. This layer are distinguished by the viscosity of the components. Okay, yes, enough. We will discuss in the continued session.